Hello everyone. In this video, I will try to teach you how to make flawless trades. I will only show one example trade, but you will learn how to execute a successful trade entirely. Although it is not mandatory to have a chart, I added the higher and low scalper indicator to assist us. Additionally, I modified the settings as you can see on the screen to minimize errors in the indicator. I kindly request you to subscribe and hit the like button. And let's start our trading education. It's noticed on the chart that we have the latest lower low, the label, and we are tracking the price action accordingly. And now, we have the higher high label formed at the top of the price. Therefore, the indicator has helped us identify the bottom and top levels in the current price action. Now that we have identified both extreme levels, we draw an ascending trend line from the lower wicks and the edges of the bodies of the candlesticks, touching the label. Furthermore, I draw a horizontal support line to the right from the candlestick that touches the ascending trend line we just plotted. And the price has formed a new peak, as we can see the HH label. As you can see, the price is consistently making new highs. It's a favorable sight for traders who have open positions in the direction of the trend. However, it is natural for traders following the trend to start closing their positions now. Please remember that no financial asset keeps falling forever. And likewise, it won't keep rising indefinitely. Since we are conducting a breakout trade here, our expectation has been fulfilled with the price movement. Now, before we open our trade, let's double-check the final details. As you can see, we are not waiting for a breakout of the horizontal support line, because we are attempting an aggressive trade. Cautious traders should enter the trade by waiting for a break below the lower support level that we drew. Sure, please follow the details I'm going to write step by step. As you can see, all the conditions we were looking for to enter the trade quickly form after the breakout. We will enter the trade at the closing level of the engulfing candlestick. We will also place the stop loss level just above a clear peak. To take partial profits or close the trade entirely, trader can either use the horizontal support line we previously drew or, based on the trader's preference, use a 1 to 1.5, 1 to 2. Or even lower levels formed by the price in the distant past. Let's also set the label, where we drew the trend line, as our target. It will approximately provide a 1 to 2 risk-to-reward ratio. To save time, I will fast forward the development of the trade. Let's follow along together. It was a flawless trade, and we hit our target. Let's see what happened next in the price action. As you can see, the downtrend intensified, and sellers took control of the market. Traders who kept their positions open for more profit in this trade made substantial gains. However, please do not assume that this situation will always be the case. And remember to take reasonable profits or close your trade. Patience and discipline are the keys to success. Goodbye, and see you again.